Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall create React app UI tooling and configuration step by step clearly. Open your terminal. Navigate to your project directory using the cd command. Run the command npm uninstall create React app to remove the create React app package. Next, locate the node_modules folder within your project directory. Delete the node_modules folder manually or by running the command rmrf node_modules. Now, you need to remove the packagelock.json file for a clean start. Run the command rmpackagelock.json to delete this file. Search for the public and src directories in your project. If you wish to remove all instances of create React app, delete the public and src folders as well. To clean up your package.json file, open it in a text editor. Look for entries related to React, React DOM, and React scripts in the dependencies section. Delete those entries. Next, check the scripts section in your package.json file. Remove any scripts that are specific to create React app, such as start, build, and test. After that, save your changes to the package.json file. To ensure everything is clean, run npm install to set up a fresh environment without create React app. Your project is now free of create React app tooling and configuration. You can proceed to set up your new project structure as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.